say that worked a lot better.
Nope.
Didn't?
Nope. Up there it did.
Why does it start off?
When it bogs in, did you notice when it was bogging real hard here, it was cutting real nice?
Yeah, you kept...
It's when it gets a chance to chatter.
I wonder if that's when I'm pushing the wedge in.
I think it is.
Here we're just trying to figure out why it's chattering and it's got waves in it, in the board, so
Every time you move,
we can't figure out whether it's from pressure or no pressure or slop in the chain or whatever. So yeah.
Right, but then when you left up and move,
I wonder if I try and keep some pressure on it and keep some of the wobble out of it.
because that's beautiful there.
Yeah, that's turned out real nice.
You sound that out, no problem.
Straight off the chain, yeah.
Dickhead. I can already tell that was terrible. Whole way through. I could feel it chattering.
For anybody wondering, this is what silky oak looks like. I don't have any pictures of the stuff we cut, but yeah. And what we're talking about is the grooves in the wood from the chain, like this, and we're just trying to figure out what's going on exactly.
Whole way through.
Is it? Just try sharpening up. Give it a bit of a sharpen up.
Well, I'll have to chainsaw out then.
Should be able to do it.
Pain in the ass. Yeah, whole way through.
This is all the wood that we've cut up out of these logs. And here's another picture of it. This is still all the silky oak. We've gone through most of the logs now. Otherwise, we'll be making the rest of it into planks for other projects. So yeah, cheers.
Shit house. Right there's nice.
So that was a bit of both.
See? Right there's really nice.
What is it we're doing different?
No idea. I think it's just chains fucked.
Yeah, probably might be.
Yeah.
We'll get this one cut up,
Yeah.
and then we'll
Bad luck.
leave these two for another one.
Yeah. I'll bring the big saw.
Bring the big one, and we'll see where we can go from there.
I'll get everything ordered. It all should be here at the same time. So.
Yeah.
I might end up taking a day off sick.
Hey, I've done it last
I got
time.
a big saw.
Sorry, I had bloody parental leave.
Yeah.
I got,
Sure.
I got an excuse now. Oh, you lost your bloody cat too.
Yeah, fuck it. Kind of a thing.
You gonna cut this one?
Yeah. Finish it off.
No, we can cut that from the video.
Yeah, cut it off, yeah.
Oh no, we'll leave it running, but
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Well, I'll cut it out of the...
you'll have to edit those bits out.
Right there's not bad.
Yeah, it's this side's bloody
Terrible.
yeah. Look at it.
Yeah, do you know why?
Alright, it's
I
purely
pulled up on the bar.
chain.
Yeah, but I also peeled
Rolled
the
it.
bar up to see if that would help.
Yeah.
To see if it would stop doing that, and that's where it was good. On that one, it's fucked.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this, mate.
Shavings for days.
So smooth.
Yeah.
Silky oak.
You won't roll in it.
Fuck no. I'll itch for weeks. That's so nice, though. Real powdery.
Yeah. Oh, we'll just keep ripping them apart, like even though they're not turning out.
You'll get one more out of this.
No, you'll get a few more, won't you?
Nah.
No, you'll get 2 out of that. Easy get 2 out of that. Yep.
Look at that. Air injection.
It's all good. Yeah, we'll just get 2 more out of it, I think.
Yeah.
I'll keep, I'm just going to I'll wedge it apart. I'll
Yeah.
try and keep it the chain thickness.
Right.
Not too fast, so.
Tighten the chain up.
Yeah, I've seen it coming off the end.
Yeah.
You see it expand off the sprocket.
I saw it coming off the bar.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was shooting out of the bar.
Yeah, I was seeing a gap on the end.
Yeah.
Of it.
That'll be part of the problem. See, right here.
Yep.
That was really nice. Where it bogged in.
Yeah. Yeah, here it's real bad.
Where I started like going a little bit slower.
Yep.
That was where it started going nice.
That's why I was trying to do the less pressure.
Yeah. Let it just put. Terrible.
That's alright.
I mean, tightening the chain up did help. Yeah, not really.
No.
So it's funny because right here, look at how nice that is.
Yeah, the change it starts.
But then it starts chattering.
Is it to do with the heat?
Yeah, maybe. Chain's getting hot. Probably cold there. That's small girl.